So hello student, this is class third. Class third, and subject is GSC and date 6th May 2021. We have to study lesson 9 soil. Lesson 9 soil. We are studying lesson 9 soil. So page number 49. So we are studying this lesson. Last time we studied about what is soil, how soil is formed, and also discussed two activities. One activity to show that the soil contains water, another soil contains air. And also studied about the kinds of soil. We studied sandy soil, clay soil, and loamy soil. Now today we are going to study about the layers of soil. Layers of soil. Layers of soil. Okay. Layers of soil. Soil is formed in a number of layers. From top to bottom, each layer of soil is different. The top layer of soil is soft and dark colored. It is called the topsoil. So first is topsoil. Topsoil, uppermost layer of the soil. Uppermost layer of the soil, or top layer of soil. It is top layer of soil. It is called as the topsoil, which is soft and dark colored. The second layer of soil is light colored and full of broken rock pieces. It is called the subsoil. Second one is subsoil. First topsoil, second is subsoil. So once again, the second layer of soil is light colored and full of broken rocks pieces. It is called the subsoil. And the bottom layer is made up of solid rock and is called the bedrock. Third layer is bedrock. bedrock. It is bottom layer. Plant mostly grow in top layer of soil. So we have to one diagram is given in page number 51. So you have to draw this diagram. In this diagram, different layers of soil are given. First you see first layer of the soil is top soil, which is soft and dark colored. Mostly plants grow in the top soil. The different layer of soil is given. The top layer, this is subsoil. And this is layer of the soil which is formed of the stones and rocks. After that, this is sublayer, and this is the top layer of the soil, which is dark. Mostly plants grow in this layer, it is dark in color. This is different layers of the soil. Plants grow in this layer. So this layer is called as the topsoil. It is called topsoil, and this layer is called subsoil, and this is third layer, the last layer. This is called bedrock. Bedrock. So these are the different layers of the soil. Plants, mostly plants are found in top soil. This layer is rich in humus and dark in color. This layer having the more humus means the remains of the plants and the animals, and also proper air. So in this layer plants grow. Now, next one is activity. So, in activity, we have to study different layers of the soil. So, next time we will discuss about the activity by which we can find different layers of soil. Thank you. That's for today only.